In this GreenGeeks tutorial video, I'm going to be going over how to get a GreenGeeks free domain name step by step from start to finish. Also providing you with a GreenGeeks web hosting discount so you can save money on your GreenGeeks web hosting purchase, plus get a free domain name. Let's get started with the GreenGeeks free domain name tutorial, going over how to get a GreenGeeks free domain name. The first thing you want to do to get a free domain name from GreenGeeks web hosting is to click the link in the description below so you can be taken to GreenGeeks, and so you can take advantage of the GreenGeeks web hosting discount, plus get a free domain name. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from GreenGeeks at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome GreenGeeks discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the GreenGeeks web hosting page. Click the View Plans button. You'll see 3 different GreenGeeks web hosting plans you can choose from: the Lite, Pro, and Premium plan. All 3 plans come with a free domain name, free SSL certificates, 300% green energy match, 1 tree planted, daily backups, 24/7 support, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. The Lite plan is good if you're going to have 1 website or just starting out. The Lite plan comes with 1 website. This plan comes with standard performance, 50 email accounts, 50 gigabytes of web space. The Pro plan is a good plan as it comes with unlimited websites, unlimited email addresses, and unlimited web space. The Pro plan also comes with better performance compared to the Lite plan. The Pro plan also comes with on-demand backups and WordPress Repair Tool. The WordPress Repair Tool will secure your WordPress core files with clean, current versions. It will also provide software updates for WordPress core, WordPress theme, and WordPress plugins. WordPress Repair Tool will also optimize your WordPress database, resets WordPress administrator passwords, restores default configuration file, and htaccess values, and more. The Premium plan comes with unlimited websites like the Pro plan, along with all the same features like unlimited email accounts, unlimited web space, on-demand backups, WordPress Repair Tool, free dedicated IP, free alpha SSL, and object caching, Memcached, and Redis. With the dedicated IP, instead of your site sharing the same IP address with others, you'll have your own IP. The alpha SSL provides you with a site security badge on your site if you'd like. In the alpha SSL certificate, you'll have a $10,000 limited guarantee warranty which protects your customers. I do want to note that all GreenGeeks plans come with a free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. Object caching can speed up your site and help your load times. Object caching will store database query results so that the next time the result is needed, it can be served from the cache without having to query the database over and over. Click the Get Started button on the plan you'd like to select. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose the Lite plan. You'll now be on the domain page where you can choose a domain name. The domain name will be free if you select an annual term for your GreenGeeks hosting purchase. If you already have a domain name from another domain register, you can type it in over on the right. When choosing a domain name, you can select the .us dropdown and you can choose the domain extension you'd like to go with. Once you have the domain name that you want, hit the Next button. You'll now be directed to a page where you'll enter your account information. You'll then want to go to Account Plan. If you click on it, you can select the GreenGeeks hosting term you'd like to go with. You'll get the cheapest pricing with the annual 12-month term. After you select the term, you can change the server location if you like. If you click Change Location, you can choose between the United States, Canada, Europe, and Singapore. Next is the Essential Add-ons section. You'll see domain locking is included free, as well as total DNS control. If you chose a domain name with GreenGeeks, you'll see ID Protect, Who is Privacy. Domain privacy protects your personal information showing in the public WHOIS database so that spammers and telemarketers don't get a hold of your personal information to flood your email or phone with offers of their services. When you register a domain name, no matter what company you choose, the domain goes into the public WHOIS database as domain names are regulated. With domain privacy, it'll show GreenGeeks default contact information instead of yours. Highly recommend domain privacy. If you click the check mark, you can unselect it if you don't want it. I'll scroll back up to the top. You'll see the total. It'll have a free domain name if you chose an annual plan. You'll see the savings you'll be getting. I'll scroll back down to the bottom of the page. Next, enter your payment information in and click the Create Account button. You've now successfully purchased GreenGeeks web hosting. GreenGeeks will now email you a receipt and send you a welcome email with login details to log into the GreenGeeks dashboard so you can start creating your site. You've successfully purchased GreenGeeks web hosting and taken advantage of getting a free domain name with GreenGeeks. That is my GreenGeeks domain name tutorial on how to get a free domain name from GreenGeeks web hosting. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more GreenGeeks web hosting tutorial videos.